Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. For English PK LESTARI, today we will learn a new topic, Unit 10, Work We Do, Part 1. Let's read. Mari baca. Okay, what is work? Work ialah pekerjaan. Jadi, untuk minggu ini murid akan diperkenalkan dengan beberapa jenis pekerjaan. I want to be. I want to be. Saya mahu jadi policeman. Policeman. Police. Waiter. Waiter. Pelayan. Teacher. Teacher. Guru. Pilot. Pilot. Juru terbang. Okay, let's read again. Mari baca sekali lagi. Okay, sambil cikgu sebut, murid ikut ya. Policeman. Policeman. Police. Waiter. Waiter. Pelayan. Teacher. Teacher. Guru. Pilot. Pilot. Juru terbang. Okay, where do they work? Where do they work? Di mana mereka bekerja? Policemen work at police station. Police station maksudnya balai polis. Waiter. Waiter works at restaurant. Pelayan bekerja di restoran. Teacher. Teacher. Teacher works at school. Guru bekerja di sekolah. Pilot. Pilot. Pilot work at airport. Juru terbang bekerja di lapangan terbang. Bagus. Okay, now let's read. Baca lagi. Okay. Guess who? Teka siapa? I bake bread. Who am I? Saya bakar roti. Siapakah saya? Number 2. I fly an aeroplane. Who am I? I fly an aeroplane. Who am I? Saya memandu kapal terbang. Siapakah saya? Number 3. I mend shoes. Who am I? I mend shoes. Who am I? Saya baiki kasut. Siapakah saya? I teach pupils. Who am I? I teach pupils. Who am I? Saya mengajar murid. Siapakah saya? Okay. I bake bread. Saya bakar roti. So, who am I? Siapakah saya? Yes, the correct answer is the baker. Okay. I fly an aeroplane. Who am I? Yes, pilot. I mend shoes. Who am I? Yes, the cobbler. I teach pupils. Who am I? Yes, teacher. Now, open your activity book, page 61. Buka buku aktiviti muka surat 1. Listen and circle. Dengar dan bulatkan. Okay, cikgu sebut, murid bulatkan. Mana satu jawapan yang betul? Contoh pertama, gunting si penggunting rambut. Orang yang bekerja sebagai penggunting rambut dipanggil apa? Barber. Barber. Okay, number 2. Gambar apa ni? Yang ni. Okay, barber, teacher or policeman. Okay, kalau rasa barber, kamu bulatkan barber. Jika rasa teacher, bulatkan teacher. If you think the correct answer is policeman, so circle this policeman. Okay, number 3. Baker, teacher, barber. Baker, teacher, or barber. Number 4. Cobbler, waiter, or baker. Number 5. Teacher, pilot, and policeman. And number 6. Pilot, waiter, cobbler. Okey, lihat lagi satu persatu ya. Okey, cikgu akan sebut pekerjaan dalam gambar tu. Nanti murid pilih jawapan yang mana satu yang betul. Okey, number 2. This is a policeman. Okey, bulatkan mana satu policeman. Polis. Number 3. This is a baker. Pembuat roti. Number 4. This is a waiter. Pelayan. Number 5. This is a pilot. Juru terbang. And number 6. This is a cobbler. Pembaiki kasut. Okay, next. Open page 62. Read and match. Baca dan padankan. Okay, contoh. Di manakah mereka bekerja? For example, baker work at bakery. Okay, number 2. Barber. Number 3, policeman. Number 4, waiter. And number 5, teacher. Who is work at restaurant? Who is work at police station? Balai polis. Who is work at school? Sekolah. And who is work at barber shop? Di kedai gunting rambut. Okey. Cikgu harap murid dapat menjawab soalan dengan betul. Okay, that's all for today. Till next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And salam sejahtera.